Body count, body count, body count.
Yeah,
body
motherfucker!
Count, body count, body count, body count, body count, body count, body count,
Body count, nigga!
body count, 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 body 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 count, 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 body count.
Body counts in the house. 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 Right about now in the motherfucking place to be. On the bass I got my main motherfucker called Moose Man. Laying the rhythm tracks I got the one and only infamous D-Rock in the half. On the drums, I got the one and only Beatmaster V, motherfucker. On lead guitars, I got my nigga Ernie C. And I'm Ice motherfucking T, bitch. Come on, make some noise. Yeah, goddamn it. Come on. Come on. Body counts in the house. 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 Body counts in the house.
Filming, there you are, sir. Still chopping your way through. And according to my GPS, we are now about 400 meters as the crow flies from the summit, which is up there behind that cloud. Yoo-hoo! Woohoo!
BC. Body count, motherfucker! Body counts in the house.
Body count.
One thing different about climbing Mount Timpoong is it involves a tree climb. You have to actually climb through these trees. It's sort of a complex system of tree roots. Look, there's little cavities and gaps everywhere in between. Look at it all.